Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to get Discord Nitro for free. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to install Better Discord. So open a browser and search here Better Discord and open this first link, betterdiscord.app, and now download this Better Discord application. You have to install this Better Discord on your computer, and after that you have to reopen your Discord app. So reopen your Discord app, then click on user settings, and after that you will find here a new category called Better Discord, and this category comes from Better Discord application. So after installing the Better Discord on your computer, you will get these categories here, and now click on plugins, and now here we have to install the Nitro plugin. So for that, open your browser again and open this URL. You will find this link in description below, and after opening this website, click on code and click on download zip. So this is basically Nitro packs. So after downloading, open your file manager and now you have to extract this zip file. This is Nitro plugins. Now open your Discord app and click on open plugins folder, and here's the plugins folder. Now open the downloaded file and drop it in plugins folder, and then here we can see Nitro change logs showing up here. Now cross these, and here we can see the Nitro showing up here. Turn on this from here and click on settings, and from here you can turn off and on any features. Like I want to turn on the 1080p 60 per second frame rate, so I'm going to turn on this, then click on done, and here you can see the features has been enable now. And if you want to enable emojis, turn on, profile avatar, turn on these, and profile banner, turn on. So this was how we can get free Nitro on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.